Good morning, my YouTube fam. What's up? What's happening? We have successfully reached day 6 out of 90 of my weight loss challenge, of our weight loss challenge. Today is Tuesday, so on Tuesdays, I eat only vegetarian food. So, for all the vegetarians, you're going to get a great recipe by the end of this video for dinner. I'm going to eat something very interesting. Also, quick update, yesterday I went for my first workout, my walk. मेरे shoulders दर्द हो रहे हैं, I have no idea. पैर दर्द होने चाहिए but shoulders दर्द हो रहे हैं. And I feel great. I had my protein shake, तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं लगी. Like I'm still full. I don't feel very hungry. I feel energetic. It feels nice. Um, सब घर पे बोल रहे हैं my face looks a little thinner. I don't know. It looks the same to me. But yeah, this Sunday I'm gonna check my weight. So let's start with the morning drinks. So some things in life should never change because they're really good for you. And that thing in my life right now is my chia seeds in warm water with lemon. So let's have that first. Also, one very important thing, please let me know in the comments, are you all following anything? Is this helping you? Are the videos helping you? जब तक आप comment नहीं करोगे मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा what is going on, कि मैं videos डालती रहूंगी, but I need interaction. So let me know how is your journey, and if any recipes, if you all have any recipes, and if something is helping you all, please tell me, because even I really need to lose weight. So, do you guys remember day before yesterday I had a black drink? So it was this one. Wait, let me show it to y'all. It's called Slim Fiber Invisible Fiber Visible Results by Youth Secrets, and this is, I got this in PR, but I was like, chalo, kya time pe ek health PR aaya, let's try it, and I absolutely loved it. Now let me tell you guys what are the benefits of this. Okay, so let's talk about this drink. It's called Slim Fiber Youth Secrets. A serving size 10 ml with charcoal, ginger root extracts, and prebiotics. Helps in weight loss, reduces your inflammation, feels good, helps regular blood. Okay, helps regular blood sugar, keeps you full for a longer time, great for anti-bloating. So I think this is a great option. I do feel like my skin also looks better, and इससे पेट भरा रहता है, like भूख नहीं लगती, because it has a lot of fiber. But for some people, a lot of fiber can cause bloating and it can cause gas. So we need to try this for at least 1 week. But so far so good. Now, time for the most exciting thing, my black coffee. Acha, one subscriber had asked me, what about cellulite? Ki how does cellulite go? There are not much videos of people talking about cellulite. तो फर्स्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन सेल्यूलाइट होता क्या है. व्हेन यू गेन वेट ना, फैट के ना चंक्स बन जाते हैं बॉडी में, एंड दे आर मोस्टली इन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी. ऐसे लाइक आपका, आप कैसे, हाउ डू एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी, लाइक वो गट जाता है पार्ट, लाइक बिग बिग चंक्स ऑफ फैट, एंड दे डू नॉट लुक नाइस. सो दैट इज सेल्यूलाइट. आपको बेसिकली अपने हैमस्ट्रिंग्स में होंगे, यू विल हैव इट इन योर बट. How do you get rid of cellulite? According to me, one, dry brushing. You should really do dry brushing, but apply moisturizer after you do it. That really helps with cellulite. And you have to work out, because जब आपका skin loose होता है तब वो गांठें बन जाती है और तब cellulite होता है. So you have to work out, especially on your lower body. Work out on your hamstring, work out on your glutes, swim, walk, whatever. You need to make the skin tighter for the cellulite to go. Also have lots of water. Your skin needs to be hydrated. Your skin cannot be dry. It needs to be moisturized, and like do like massages maybe once a week. So that's how cellulite goes. Chalo, now I'm done with breakfast and all my yap, and I'll meet you guys for lunch. No, not lunch, for breakfast. Okay, loves breakfast time. I have with me my bowl of mangoes. I have with me my lassi. Today I have roasted almonds and I have my cracker biscuits. So it is 10:30. I have to head out for some work. So I'll quickly shoot my breakfast. So today I have with me roasted almonds. This is also a really good option. These are unsalted roasted almonds that you can get outside. So if you're going to work, pre-workout, you can just carry them with you. They taste really yummy and it's a really good snack. Now I really want to talk about this lassi. So this has Greek yogurt, it has water, it has no sugar, but my mom put some spices in it. Like, she puts jeera and she puts a couple of other things which are basically fat burning, which help you to lose weight. So this is great, especially during summers. Ja khane ka man nahi kar raha. This will really cool your um system, and it's really good for weight loss and keeps you fuller for a longer time. My bowl of mangoes. This is also something that I'm going to have. Also, I'm going to change my breakfast from Friday because I'm going to start working out. So I'm going to just change everything, or 10 दिन हो जाएंगे. So I think 10 days are good enough for me to change my diet and try new things. And my cracker biscuits, I love this. मैं चार नहीं खाने वाली. I'm going to have two. So on the days when I feel like having something like munching on something, or I feel like like mango and cracker biscuits, they taste so good. It's like you're having a dessert. So this has no flavor, but it's very crunchy, and it has a little bit of salt, so it tastes really nice. So I'm going to have this with my mango, and it's like the best meal that you can have. It is 1:30 and I'm ready for lunch. So I have with me chickpeas, chole, high in protein. I have soya chunks. This is very healthy. Cucumber raita and my bajre ki roti with ghee. One addition to the lunch is soya chunks. Soya chunks high in fiber, great for protein, great for weight management. So for all the vegetarians, if you feel you need something nutritious, go for soya chunks. Good evening, my YouTube fam. How you guys feeling? It is 4:15 and I'm ready for my mid-evening snack. अच्छा, एक चीज़ मुझे बोलनी थी. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है ना, when you have your lunch you don't feel like having your mid-evening snack क्योंकि आपको इतनी भूख नहीं लग रही होती है. But even if you're not hungry, make sure that you have something to eat at around 4 to 5. क्योंकि क्या होता है, once you eat at 4, between 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, तो आपको रात को भूख नहीं लगेगी. Because if you give a gap, like you have your lunch at 1:32 and then you have your dinner at 7:38, तो बीच में बहुत gap हो जाता है. That's not nice. That can cause acidity, so you don't want that. You want to keep eating something so that you can finish and wind up your dinner by 7. First things first, my black coffee. Now, today I have something slightly different with me for my snacks, and that is chana. Chana is extremely healthy, full of protein. जब मैं छोटी थी, my mom used to tell me horses have chana. Chana gives them energy. So chana is great as a mid evening snack. आपको लगेगा ये quantity बहुत कम है, but trust me, when I eat it I feel full, and it is so good for your health. And outside, you get mint and lemon and all of these flavors. So अगर आपको सूखे चने खाने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, you can definitely get the ones that have थोड़ा बहुत a flavor. And so chana is an addition in today's mid evening snack. Also today मुझे थोड़ी सी मीठे की craving हो रही थी, and I was feeling low in energy, so I'm gonna have my dark chocolate as well. I think chocolate and coffee together, one of my favorite combinations. पहले pastries or cakes or cupcakes होते थे, but now I have replaced it with 70% dark chocolate, and this is really good for your health as well. A little tip while having dark chocolate, make sure it is 70% dark or more. 50, 40, 30 नहीं, क्योंकि उसमें शुगर ज़्यादा होती है. So make sure that you buy your dark chocolate that is at least 70% dark. What's up, my YouTube fam? I am back for dinner. I know पीछे sunlight है, but I am gonna have my dinner early. They say you should eat with the sunset, and actually it is true, because by the time you sleep, you keep moving, your food is digested, you get better sleep. So it is 5:45 and I'm gonna have my dinner early. And who says being a vegetarian is boring? Have you seen my dinner for today? I have with me my favorite noodles. These are made from mushroom. Extremely low in calories, no fat. They are so yummy. I've put in all the vegetables. I also have peanuts in them. And let me know if you guys need the recipe, but they are yummy. And it's 9:30. Like you guys have seen, I've done my workout. I have my protein shake with me. I'm going to have this, and this is a part of my fasting. Okay, so when you're fasting and you feel hungry, you can have your green tea. It's okay. Jab tak you're having your liquids, chicken broth, vegetable broth, it's fine. You're still fasting. If you're feeling hungry while fasting, please eat almonds, khalo, have dry fruits. It's okay. Nothing is going to happen. Don't go so hard on yourself. But I am so proud that I went for my walk. Today is day 2. Body's a little sore, but my mind is very fresh. I felt so nice. Working out is also very, very, very important. Day 6, can you believe it? Like 6 din ho gaya. It's like I just started yesterday, and you guys have given me so much love. When you guys comment, I feel like I'm not alone and there is someone with me. Like I know, like I am sitting on this side of the screen and you're sitting there watching me, but I don't know, it's a strange connection जो I think आप लोग को भी feel होता है, because we are going through the same thing. So thank you for commenting, thank you for giving me so much love. और एक चीज, फ्राइडे को मैं रेसिपी वीडियो शूट करूंगी तो आप तक सैटरडे को पहुंचेगी. सो सैटरडे ग्रीक योगर्ट विद मैंगोज एंड द वेजिटेबल टिक्की कमिंग अप फॉर यू गाइस. डे 6 खत्म हो चुका है. आई लव यू. सी यू टुमारो, डे 7.